July ninga sang hi somni parukani Irana Russian jet fighter Su-35 wow avahan puidon ve hetil hi tat mai na kan riekang
Iran, the country is gearing up to receive Sukhoi-35 fighter jets from Russia.
An dong dong ni an leido no Iran hian in leina tur poisa te po hin nei mon le ka ti he ka reaction ma saberani he news kam mu hian mo leina tur hi an nei lo mel sia amaro chun Sukhoi-35 a bon lu to kan he jet fighter he mo
Initial batch of 20 jets is ready for delivery.
Jet fighter som ni lai le hal tam chakhap mai Donald Trump ate khanin Iran Air Force hi jet fighter te an ka chiat sak na sala to gani an bom chiat sak na sabok hatia an lo park top lai kha to choni the Iran lampang pho anin lakhom le ve la ni me kana mo hek en honglok tiang upoi motlet
zirlai tele na thokta ta na thulom om deu nei hostel tharlom nan Joy Girls hostel chuan room tina cheng zanga thep discount pemeka hostel admission team masaber chon cheng sang thum lekin thama saber atan room alwa theidon bok ani mania room in bol theina tur chauka zaw nuam takte in sunga tur washing machine te bathroom te om veka room azaw tha a theng thon nuama privacy a tha a zirlai le na thokta ta ngai ven chi tak ani Joy Girls hostel hi college veng le republic in rin na motor sil na chak veng hluya a oma seat atam lo awangin hostel mamo chuan a hnuai phone number kan tar lana hian in lo be thep don ni
Joy Girls hostel iloi shilpung don ni ole direct chun zabang
The remaining 28 will be ready by the end of the year. Iranian pilots are already being trained. Hangars have been modified to accommodate
Iran pilot hi training an pedai to mo eng tik lai khan vahan skill an vahan che skill ve ngoi ringin te hian news kan thian me chuanin Iran pilot te hin lo training zo der to Su-35 jet fighter khal tur hian atira jet fighter somni chumin huwa adang le jet fighter somni kumin chan hulama turu chodon va jet
the Russian jets. This is a major tilt towards Moscow. For decades, Iran operated American-made fighter jets. But with the arms embargo, sanctions and a full-fledged war, Iran is in no mood to trust the United States.
Reporter pa heran sai chi ang rang khop mai tu na in Iran hian in United States thil siam chwa hrim hrim hi ahman sak du in ka ring to lo chan chu United States in a sanction chuan khang software te kha khoi theilo man theilo khanin an siam ve thei tle tani tinan tuna khovel pum puya poisa kan in thon kol na ang chi te software tam tak ang chi te po hi Iran a chon in man ve thei ni lo hrim hrim chu ba chon an tan chon in a boi thak lu tuk chu wang chon in Iran te hian in khai ngoi tu US jet fighter leya man le ai hi chuan in Russia ami hi in lei mai te ang anti hei hi India pona ti chi ani US atang hian in an F-35 mi kha F-35 chon F-22 Raptor ang chi eng ma lei du lo India po hian mo tura ma tring nge jet fighter India hena lei thin kan ti chuan France atang in Rafale jet fighter lei ngat mai ani hei India hian in United States thil ti thei hi a hritia ngani chu wang chuan in India po hian in United States atang in a lei du mi lo Iran hian in United States atang in lei du to big mi lo Russia atang in a lei to don ani
Instead, it is growing closer to Russia. The Sukhoi-35 is one of the most advanced war machines in the world. It will now be seen in Iranian colors.
Sukhoi-35 jet fighter hi khawvela chuanin jet fighter advance berte zinga mi ani advance bere chu kan ti chuang lawa amar chu top tier anti anchi hamo tha berte zinga mi ani he Su-35 hi chu tuna chuanin Iran ho ku ta hian na to dona eng tin tak han mang ve ang mo US lampang hian bom chiat sak le mai angem ti te po kharil ro ma anda that an thuruk thia ve view chu ayang
Our next report tells you more.
Let's go.
Iran has mastered the art of asymmetric warfare. It used drones and ballistic missiles to full effect.
Iran hian in asymmetric warfare kan ti ang chi hi hei a master to ani hei chu phat role ani lo tuna United States te le Iran Indona te po hian in Iran himo kan tlo man ti du big mi lo US lampang hian in in negotiate a thazo ke anti zo kani a chan chu an tlom du lo lai taka hi helai po hi Iran hin ngal ve hrim hrim an nge yom ve hrim hrim mi a tlom du lo miau kha chuanin han ti lui vak ngai na kha lo ni na langa chuanin asymmetric warfare Iran hin bon to lu tuk tona chuanin drone te missile technology an nei tha to lu tuk ani henga hianin khawela hi chuanin an level hi asang pol ani
But while it was able to send waves of aerial attacks, Tehran knew it lacked in air defenses.
Hei hi nia an mani le lam an mani pok hi an lo in evaluate ve reng ani hi enge kan chak na missile kan chak missile kan nei tha drone po du chonin kan kap chuak theina sa ka chua ul sam bok amaro chu jet fighter hi kan lo nei thalo e bani an ti ni ran lampang hian mo khabi atang khanin khitiang khianin ngai tu na an senga ti hian Russian dor ani
Iran failed to intercept American and Israeli fighter jets because the Iranian Air Force was plagued with a major problem. It was too thin and too old to make an impact.
Adik che Iran ho jet fighter nei masak ho ka mo an lui to lu to ka ni tunang khovel changkang to tak artificial intelligence den man to dang ka chonin eng ata han lak vak to lo ani chu wa chonin America jet fighter ron thlok te le America ni na enge missile te helicopter te khatianga ron ti luang ang kha Iran khanin an lo dang thei lo ani invent ngai na am lo Iran tang khan an om ve top mo kha wa khan ni te hian ma an la ni
That is now changing.
to chu nei thak
Back in 2023, Iran signed a deal with Russia for 48 Sukhoi 35 jets. According to reports, the initial batch of 20 jets is ready for delivery.
he thila hi kum sang ni som ni pathuma tang dei to lo ruam man lo ka ni chu tu na United States ni na nin do wa han ti chho han boi pui chho mo khalo ti lo ni mi lo mai
Moscow says the remaining 28 jets will be ready by the end of this year.
tu na hedin Russia in jet fighter som ni an pe nga abak som ni pariat kha kumin kum top lama Russia ni ran hi an hlan le do na ni
Iran is already training its fighter pilots on simulators. As per reports, hangars have been modified to field the Sukhois. Meanwhile, Russia has sent equipment and weapons. More than 300 missiles for the Su-35 have been delivered.
Su-35 of tur missile zathum chuang Russia hi ni ran pe to ani ti zonin hetianga Russia in jet fighter an pek tur te hi Iran mil tur de ulekten I mean modification om de do ni na lang bok ani
So, what is this jet and how will it boost Iran's capabilities? The Su-35 is a 4++ generation
4++
fighter
gen.
aircraft. It was evolved from the legendary Su-27. The twin-engine aircraft comes with a modern radar.
twin engine jet aircraft chak turu lutuk amaro chu petrol la he oil la he
And can track 30 targets up to a range of 400 kilometers.
a radar range chen turu rem Mizoram a khan om ta ula Mizoram a in om lai khan Guwahati borvel thing khami kha he a radar range ani chu te hianin alai takhi Mizoram ni ta se tu na helai kap mail om na lai te hi bo chuanin he lai akil vel hi he lai zong zong hi radar in a cover phave ka om se chu yom hun atang khan Guwahati a khanin in thlonang e thlok mek ti ang chi vel te po kha zuk track perfect ani a radar hianin turu rem khop mai
The Su-35 has a combat range of 1,600 kilometers. It can launch air-to-air and anti-surface missiles. The aircraft is combat-proven.
Hey, ya poi ma khop mai til thar chuak thar reng hi chu approve o mem athok tak ti effective tak ti proof o mem ti hin effect amaro chu Sukhoi 35 hi chu combat proven ani air to air ei dog fight kan ti thin ta jet fighter anin do wan pani chon in do chuan dog fight kan ti ta mo chuan khabi ba hanin surface to air missile khang teng te poka thei vek do
It was designed to absorb heavy electronic jamming, clear the skies of interceptors, and deliver long-range standoff weapons.
United States ina tun Iran nena in do nan man tang kai te pakha chu electronic jamming ti ani om je bera chuan hey in the ni to na te po YouTube hi mo amaro chu United States ron kalin electronic jamming ron ti ta se chu YouTube te po en the lawang engma electronic thil sim hi engma man thei lo khatiang ang a po khanin Su-35 hi chu a man vek thei do da ni a turu rem khop mai.
But the best part is that the Sukhoi 35 does not need proper runways.
Proper runway ngai lo Sukhoi 35 chu reilo te khanin runway khanin Atlantic tian thok songhal pop the ni hi advantage ania Su-35 hi mo chuanin tuna US le Iran in do na te po khanin United States lampang khan electronic jamming an mang ani masabera Iran an be don khan chu wan chuanin Iran khan enge air defense system don activate po ni sian mang thei don lo hakathilom ji ania chu wan chuanin tiếng hiền Iran hiền Su-35 electronic warfare mang po dan thei lo tur kha an lei mak mai ne
it can operate from short, rugged, and makeshift airstrips. That was a critical requirement for Iran when it chose the aircraft.
He poi mo khop Iran ina an du than tak ani na chan po airport siam chop atang te po han thok thei ni
For years, Tehran operated old and aging American-made fighter jets, like the F-4 and the F-14, that were
Iran jet fighter an lo hlui batini
acquired before the 1979 Islamic Revolution.
kum sang khat zakwa somsari pakom halama mi dai ta kha la cho pui ve ngar ga lap nai
But decades of arms embargo and sanctions prevented Iran from buying American jets again. And now, after having fought a full-fledged war with the US, Iran has completely aligned with Russia. Tehran and Moscow are
kha apoi mo tu na hianin Iran lampang hianin jet fighter Russia changin an leidon ani turu rem don khop mai eng tin nge Trump paten an riekang United States lampang in tin yan komenang tu na hianin an la indoor mek ani siamo ole khati zong khatu chumata ni se video lai mo le theu don ne